Wishbone's on the move for this afternoon's fifth race. Right here, I-85, exit 22. Wishbone, they're off. At the break, it's a 2-3-1, 2-3-1-6. Up 2-3-1-6. It's the 3-1 now. Up 3-1-2. That 3-1-2 down the backstretch they go is a 1-3-2. Up 1-3-2, 6 and 8. And here they come into the final turn. It's the 1 and 2, 3. 1 and 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. And under the wire. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. The 1-2 exacta pays $54.60. The 1, 2, 3, 3.